guys, Tim here. Today we're going to take a look at, and you guys can feel free to make as much fun of this as you want because these are some of the funniest names for an alarm clock I've ever seen. The iLuv Vibro 2. Oh yes, that's a dual alarm clock with a shaker, you pervs. So it's actually a Red Dot Design Award winner for 2012. Very decently priced on Amazon.com. Has great sound and has a time sync feature with your iPhone. Let's go ahead and look at the back here. It's an alarm clock. Maybe I'll put it up here so you guys can see it. It's an alarm clock with a shaker. If you're a heavy sleeper, which sometimes I am, if your kids have kept you up till 2 o'clock in the morning and you have to get back up at 5:30 or 6, sometimes that may help. It is an innovative approach for waking up. It's a dual alarm clock with an iPhone, iPod, also iPod dock and a shaker. The unique shaker vibrates for your to wake up heavy sleepers. You can wake up to iPhone, iPod, FM radio, buzzer, and or shaker. You can also use the iPhone as fall asleep too, so it has a sleep off timer. Time sync, large and easy to read LCD, auxiliary line, and it comes with an AC adapter, a shaker, some other stuff, a little of this, a little of that. In the box, we have the warranty information and designed by iLuv in New York. Quick start guide. In color. Eco-friendly box, which I really do like to see. It means all of it except the plastic is going to be recyclable. Which, you know, it's really nice that companies are starting to go to this instead of plastic interiors. Not that I'm a tree hugger, but we have the power adapter. Would have been nice to see this be straight into the wall plug so that you don't have, it's only going to be able to go on the bottom of my wall, but, not the end of the world. And the power end. Here's the little Vibro 2 shaker. So you just place this under your mattress between the frame and the bed, and it just, oh my god. And it just actually has a 1/8 inch plug to plug into the radio. And then you have this little guy. And I will do some footage at the end. Maybe I'll do a test of the vibrating. So you have your dock for your iPhone, snooze dimmer, you have on off, set mode, alarm 1, alarm 2, play, pause, okay. Left, right, time sync, memory, volume down, volume up. So pretty basic. And then on the back you can see we have an auxiliary in, which is always nice to see. The vibrator and the power. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and your FM antenna. Don't forget that. So I'm going to cut away here and I'll be back with this plugged in and playing some heavy metal. Be right back. Okay, so we're back with her all set up here. To set the time, all you have to do is hold down the time sync button, which I've already done. It flashes a couple of times and then syncs to your iPhone, which I actually have to be logged in to do, I'm pretty sure. There you go. And then power on for play, or to play. backwards. I'm not going to say the name of this band. If you can read it, they are epic. So shout out to Epica. I will say the name. Great band. You can fast forward by holding down. So not too bad, a little distortion, but sleep timer. And you can pause and turn off that function, which locks your phone. So that's about it. We'll see if Google, YouTube tries to come after me for using some Epica there. If so, I guess the no monetization to me in this video. But in all honesty, guys, it's a great little, I mean, this is like half the size of my current alarm clock. It does distort when you crank it up. It has absolutely no bass pretty much, but you know, they might be 3-inch speakers, so you know, what do you expect? It sounds good. You know, it's a really high quality sound from, you know, just to play some tunes, and really you're going to be using it to wake up to. So you know, if you want something bigger to listen to on a more regular basis, I would say buy a real stereo. If you want, you know, a nice quality, very badly named, punerific, I might have to try to scrape the iLuv off of there. I'm gonna laugh every time I see it, but check them out on Amazon. It's definitely a quality product. It feels like a quality product. The dock doesn't feel flimsy. The buttons have a nice click to them. The screen's easy to read. It's not too bright. I mean, there's you can make it brighter or darker. Beyond that, I don't know, you know, what can you say? It's actually a lot easier to plug in than the current one I have, which also has an iPod dock, just FYI. And there's a free app that you can download that you can help program some of the functions for the iLuv brand with. So check that out in your Apple iStore. All you Apple haters, I freely admit I am one of you. This, in my opinion, is still one of the better phones. It's a 4S, so, you know, why buy a new phone if there's nothing really new? I guess I'm not into the whole mobile, oh my gosh, I need the latest 6-month innovation. You know, the Galaxy 4S is a great phone, but does it do anything this phone doesn't do that I need? Nah. Other than maybe, you know, a battery you can replace without having to take it to the Apple store. Details, details. So, this is Tim for TimmyTechTV. Keep watching, guys. We'll see you next time.